an international student applying for micro and macroeconomics, some of the important tips you need to know. First of all, one important thing is you need to look into universities. For example, Cambridge would require a score of 5 on 5, specifically for science, maths and major subjects. There are other universities which do prefer a score of 5 on 5, but in some cases, if you have a score of 3 plus, you are all set with your AP targets, right? Now, when you are preparing for be it microeconomics or macroeconomics, we have covered the complete syllabus on the separate lecture series which is available in the description. One important thing is when you appear for the micro macro, before that you have to have certain mock tests that you give. Now when you are giving your mock test, there is a test score calculator. There are various calculators which are available online. One of these calculators I have used here, and the idea is it would give you a rough estimate how much you are scoring, and if you are scoring these marks, how much you would get. For example, based on the 2016 paper, if you are getting 50 out of 60 in multiple choice and nearly 50% in all the free response questions, a composite score of 65 of 90 you get, which is a 4 on a AP score. That means you get a 4 score, and that's what is important. So you can plan accordingly while you are preparing. Try to have at least 50% for your free response questions, and multiple choice questions should be relatively well sound with, and that's how you can actually qualify your micro macroeconomics with a good score. More preparation material and guidelines are available in the description below. Stay tuned.